Sesame ball with egg custard.
Made in Singapore.
Let's give it a go. What? Ding ding!
Is this your first time to try
First
it?
time ever.
Also me.
I think I tried it to eat it in Chowking in Philippines.
How do you cook it?
You gotta fry it with 160 degrees. How many of you guys can have one each to begin with? Maybe it's the worst ever.
Yeah. So you're gonna fry it here. All of it? No, just 5. The rest is later. So now we wait. For how long?
I have no clue. It's in Chinese.
Maybe 3 minutes? Or that's too long.
2 seconds.
What?
6 to 7 minutes.
6 to 7 minutes. Okay. No, it's not expanding. It's the same size.
No, they're getting bigger. They were just like this. When I put them in, you see they are bigger now.
Yeah. You think it's cooked now?
No, when they're golden.
Oh, okay.
And how many minutes have they been in now?
I think it's been 2
No,
minutes.
yeah, but you gotta have 6 to 7 minutes.
Ah, okay. I thought you said 67 seconds.
No, okay.
My God, what's
Okay.
going on with my brain?
And it's a language barrier. My God. Wow. You just expanded to 2, almost 3 times the size. So, gotta cool off a little bit and then we gotta taste it.
So now we have to see the inside.
You can actually not cut it without.
Oh, it's like sticky something.
It is sticky. Yeah. It's not også this custard. It's egg cream. Det er creme. Al creme er lavet af æg.
I like it.
I like it too.
It's like sticky and then it's also crispy at the same time.
Crispy, sticky, sweet inside.
Because of the sesame. I like it. It's not so sweet. I know it's just enough.
It's not as sweet as the one in Chowking.
Perfect!